Hey guys, Miss Pariseau here. I just wanted to take you through a few basics to make sure you are aware of how to stay up to date with what is going on in the math class. So on your Teams page, make sure you find your class period. It'll be labeled with my name and the class period as well. And so once you click on there, just some things to highlight and notice. It's the same for all classes right now. Every day I do post here, and it'll say the date and today in class, what we've done. Click on see more. We've got the homework and its due date, help sessions, and important dates. Okay, and you can scroll back and you can look for any of the previous ones to see what you missed and so forth. Now, the other thing that you want to do here from here as well, like eventually when we have assignments, there'll be assignments posted and we'll be creating more channels. So stay tuned for that. All right, now for our class notebook. This is very helpful to know how to access. You do not need to keep a digital notebook, but it's there for you in case you lose something, you're absent, you need resources, etc. So if you've not set up your OneNote just yet, your first step is going to be to click on Class Notebook, and that will get everything activated. Once you have it activated, okay, my suggestion to you, like this is what should come up, and you might not see anything. If you don't see anything, you just come over here and click on these little bars, all right, and it should show you the notebook. And now these are, this is a teacher version, but you should see your name, and then you'll also see content library. Content library is where all the important stuff is that you need, okay? So general info, there will eventually be the syllabus will be in there, any expectations. The main one that's helpful to you is your resources. So I just put a new one in here called Delta Math. We'll go over that in the coming days, so don't worry too much, but feel free to check it out. You have your Desmos class code and all of the resources and videos that will help support you throughout this Unit 1 are found here, okay? So this is in the content library. If you want to copy this over into your notebook, you can. You can simply right-click and copy and then paste it in. However, again, I'm not a fan of the notebook in Teams, so my suggestion to you is to go ahead and click Open in Desktop App, okay? And once you do, it should pop up in your OneNote. If not, if you click over here, you might need to scroll all the way down and click on More Notebooks. And then anything that was just added that you just opened, you should be able to find it here in the list, okay? So if you need help with that, please check in with your Compass teacher. They could help you get that set up, or you can come during a help session time. All right, so the other thing for our OneNotes, so just kind of going back, is that every day we have the warm-ups. You have access to this in your content library. Any notes that we take, they're labeled. And you'll also see that, for example, if we go back to Teams and we go to the General, it lines up with what the page is in your OneNote. So today in class, we did D8, Dilations Guided Notes. So if you went to OneNote and you went to D8, Dilations Guided Notes, you could see the page, and if I put any notes on there, you'd be able to access that. But you can also print out your own copy for your purposes if you need to download it or you want to write on it, you lost your paper, something of that nature. You can't write on anything that's in the content library. So if you do want to go digital and you want to copy this into your notebook, by all means, feel free. Again, you can always right click. I do the copy and paste. You can also do a move and copy as well. So those are some options for you with OneNote and Teams. And those are good, helpful places to look when you're absent, you're missing something, you want to know what's going on. This is your first place to go. Hope that you found that helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.